So apparently it was a little premature to say that the drum brakes were shit and we had to replace those. As you can see, we took the drums off and the drum brakes actually don't look too terrible. They could probably be replaced here in about a year or so, but they don't look bad enough to where we gotta go and rush out and buy a bunch of fucking shit to replace them with. It was more or less the fucking brake line that runs across. What? I know, he's like shooting up a storm over there, ain't he? God bless America, man.
America.
America! Anyway, the brake line that runs across the drive shaft here is what actually ended up being the problem. You can see it up there. We're replacing that brake line. So hopefully, once that's done, we should be able to bleed this bitch and this thing should be roadworthy again. However, yeah, as you guys can see, show you real quick. The rear drums, they're not the best looking thing on the planet, but they're functional, and that's pretty much all you can really ask for at this stage. So, not too bad. Got her down on the front again. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. However, this video is not about what we've done. This is for fun. So, I'm going to let my buddy here, Josh, tell everybody what he thinks about his views on drum brakes, because I was laughing my ass off.
They're bullshit.
That's like all he says. It's like, what do you think of drum brakes, Josh? They're bullshit.
Absolute ridiculous.
Come on, man. That was like...
The bitch who fucking invented these ought to be shot.
So dark.
Well, they don't do nothing. They don't stop a vehicle worth a damn. They're hard to work on, they're messy, and you always pinch your fingers, bash your knuckles. It always ends up with you being up drinking a shit ton of beer and crying over it.
That's what you should have a big old picture of a drum brake that says equals beer and crying, bitches. They're bullshit.
Oh, they're a pain in the ass.
Well, hopefully that's all we got to deal with this time around. So, just want to get you guys another quick video because I just thought that was fucking hilarious as hell.